Ready to elevate your career? Dive into the magic of a skills investment plan. A skills investment plan is your roadmap to acquiring new skills and boosting your career prospects. It's like planting seeds for future growth. First, assess your current skills and set clear career goals. Imagine building a bridge from where you are to where you want to be. Next, identify the skills gaps that need filling. Think of it as finding the missing pieces of your career puzzle. Then, align your learning with industry trends and future job roles. Stay ahead of the curve and be the trendsetter. Investing in skills brings countless benefits. It can open doors to promotions, higher earnings, and new opportunities. For employers, a skilled workforce means increased productivity and a competitive edge. Everyone wins. Don't forget about workforce training. Whether it's on the job or formal classroom training, every bit counts. Coaching and mentoring provide personalized guidance. Imagine having a career fairy godparent. Upskilling keeps you relevant in your current role, while reskilling opens doors to entirely new career paths. Continuing education is key. Look for courses, workshops, and learning programs to stay on top of your game. Remember, a well-crafted skills investment plan is your golden ticket to a brighter, more successful future. Start investing in yourself today.